they always walk your way. They follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, cause they just don't got, oh, they just don't got what I've got. I'm someone you can take home to meet your mom and pa, your trashy little cupcake.
Hi there. So there are a lot of kakulian happening today. First, with my ATM card. Next is the trip. Right now, first we're supposed to ride a bus. Pero may kabut sa time. So we decided to go for this train. And then this train just had an emergency stop. So we're kind of waiting up until 7 p.m. before we arrive in Fuji. Ayun. That's so sad though. Where's my carbs, man? Where's my carbs? Let's go follow the people. It's so cold, guys. Oh, 16 degrees. Oh, welcome back. You done? Time check, it's 9. Yes, recommended to just have a day trip here. Yeah. It's so quiet, guys. It's so quiet and scary. Huh? I did A. There. Yeah. Here's our hotel. RE. Finally. Check in. We have to get some things here. Overnight milk, moisture. Yeah, liquid cleansing. I'll get that one. It's done. We're here. Quick room tour. Ayun. Wow. That's cute. It's not every day that you get to see this.
Orange button, push right. Okay, lock. Oh.
Yeah. E-bike.